Let's see how to make a Minecraft server with mods to play with friends. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! Alright, the first step would be to go to Google and search for CurseForge. Click here. And then here to download it. Now we'll open the installer and install it normally. Once installed, we'll click here on Continue as Guest. Now click on Minecraft. Continue. And here we'll search for the mods. In my case, I'll use this one as an example. We go into it, click on Install. And your friends must follow the exact same steps and install the same mods. Once installed, we'll search for Essential. Versions, and here we'll look for the version that matches our Minecraft version, and it must also be Forge as the mod loader. In my case, this one. Click on Select a Profile, and we'll click on the installed mod. Then click on Install, and finally we'll click on Play. Now we'll make sure to run the mod here. And click on Play. Once inside Minecraft, click on Social. Click on Friends. Click here. And we'll add the friends we're going to play with. Once done, they'll have to accept the request. Now click on Host World, and if you have existing worlds, you'll have the option to select them. If not, click on Create New World. And here you'll have the panel to configure the world. Click on Next, and here we can add the friends we previously added to our world. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.